The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, fog lights, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.